In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the best AI image editor inside Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to the dashboard. Next, click on either the Create Design tab or the Image Generation tab. Inside this section, you'll automatically be using the latest version of the AI image editor, which is the current built-in editor inside Artistly. From here, you can start creating or editing images by entering your prompt or choosing a style, depending on what you want to make. This editor allows you to generate, refine, and enhance images all in one place, so you don't need to switch between different tools. You can also test different prompts and styles to get the best possible output for your project. And that's it. That's how you find the best AI image editor inside Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.